Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
AirPlay sends audio, video, and screen content from Apple devices to compatible receivers. Use an iPhone, iPad, or Mac running recent software for best compatibility. Receivers include Apple TV, AirPlay 2 speakers, and some smart TVs. Both device and receiver must be on the same Wi-Fi network to connect. AirPlay supports direct peer connections for temporary streaming when networks are unavailable. Look for the AirPlay icon or screen mirroring control in Control Center or App Players. You can stream video in up to 4K resolution with compatible hardware and apps. Open Control Center on iPhone or iPad, or click the AirPlay icon on Mac. In Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring for full display sharing to Apple TV. Select your device name, for example Living Room Apple TV, from the list. To stream only audio, use the AirPlay icon inside Music or Podcasts apps. Adjust volume on either device. Some receivers control volume independently for multi-room playback. End streaming by tapping, stop mirroring, or selecting your device again to disconnect. Some apps show AirPlay within their video player controls. If AirPlay does not appear, confirm both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Restart network gear, reboot your iPhone or Apple TV, and try connecting again. Update to the latest iOS, iPad OS, or Mac OS to ensure compatibility and security fixes. Disable Bluetooth only if peer-to-peer AirPlay is causing discovery problems between devices. Reduce Wi-Fi interference by moving devices closer, within 10 meters of the router. Use AirPlay 2 speakers for synchronized multi-room audio and smoother buffering under load. If issues persist, reset network settings, but remember this erases saved passwords.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.